baking soda and contact solution.
Now let's get to it!
The first thing you want to do is put all the glue inside your bowl until it's all empty. Next, take a teaspoon of your baking soda and put it into your glue. Then stir in well. Next, add a drop of food coloring. Then stir until it's mixed in well. Next, add contact solution, a little bit at a time. Keep adding contact solution a little bit at a time and stir it. Continue mixing until your ball of slime has formed. Then pick it up with your hands and start kneading it. And now you got slime. It's a little sticky. But basically, the more you knead it, the more it will become unsticky, like Sarah's. Since I just taken mine out of my bowl. If yours is really sticky, you can also put more contact solution to make it more unsticky, I guess. So stretchy too. That was fun. Make sure you smash that like button and we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye!